In this video, I will show you how to download C or C++ extension pack in your Visual Studio Code. So let's start. So now I'm going to install C or C++ extension pack. So follow step with me and now click on extension. In and now search extension, type here C or C++ and now click on enter. And now here you can see that in the first position there is intelligence, and now I'm going to click on second one. So now here you can see that in the second one I'm going to click on the second one, so click on it. And now here you can see that C or C++ extension pack. And now in extension pack you will find different types of extensions. So now I'm going to install it, so click on install. Maybe it could be take a little bit more time, maybe a 50 seconds, maybe 10 seconds, depends on your system. So my system is not too much good, so maybe that's why it's taking a little bit time. So now I'm waiting. So now here you can see that finally my extension pack is installed. So I hope guys my video is helpful for you guys. If you like that, then hit the thumbs up and I will see you next time. Take care, bye bye.